So guys, here is our New Zealand dollar to our JPY. So if you are new and you don't subscribe, please click on the subscribe button. You can like and share this video if you want, and also comment. Now let's take a quick look at this New Zealand dollar to our JPY. We would look at it from this daily time frame. So let's highlight some key levels here. So we would analyze some levels here. So this is the level we can see here. Reason is that we saw this price drop to this level, right? We saw it drop and it roll up. We had this huge week. We saw it drop again to this level before bouncing up, came to this level again, bounce up, and now price broke below this level again. So now let's analyze another level here. We can see here, this is the top as our resistance level. Once price got to this resistance, it dropped, got to this resistance again, drop, got to this resistance, drop, was close to this resistance before it dropped, and we can take it as a false breakout, guys. So this is a false breakout. So price broke out of it and it dropped. So false breakout. Now this price has actually dropped. So basically, if you have to look at this movement, right, is this price has actually broken out, right? So you all know that once price break out from a level, once it is ranging, kind of like a support and resistance. If price is ranging and price actually break out of a support level, we tend to see that price come to test that support level, right? It is exactly what has just happened on our New Zealand dollar to our JPY. So after this movement, do you think this bearish move is over? I personally still believe it is not over. I still believe that this New Zealand dollar will actually drop to our JPY. Reason is that I still want to see this New Zealand dollar take out this huge candlestick wick here. Take a look at this wick here. This is a good amount of wick. We can call it liquidity if you want to see it anyhow you want to see it. This huge wick, I still want to see this New Zealand dollar to actually drop to take out that level. So basically, I'm still seeing here as a drop, a pullback. After this pullback, I am expecting a drop. So that is one reason. Number one, I said that New Zealand JPY would actually be having a pullback. Are we going to be having it today? Probably not, but next week we'll be having it. Today, which is on the 30, we might very much open and close bullish. Who knows? By the way, so we might actually open and close bullish for the day. Maybe as from next week, then we will start seeing that drop. That is reason one. Now the reason number two is that let's take a look at our JPY index. By the way, so if you are to look at this JPY index, if you have to zoom it out, you see that this price is bearish, right? JPY is bearish, which means as JPY index is bearish, all our JPY PS will actually be bearish. That is to say, any PS we are trading to our JPY will go bullish. Now, let's not look at it from this way. Price will actually be, dropped. It's actually started ranging for some times. You saw it drop to this level lows, then roll up again, tap this level, drop again, roll up again, drop again, roll up again, drop. So basically, it has actually been ranging here. You can see that support and resistance. So basically, the price actually broke below the support level, and once price break below support level, we tend to see it roll out to test that support level again. But as at this time, price not only does it test the support level, it actually came up to hit this resistance level, and now we've seen it actually drop to this close to our support level. Now take a look at this way. So we would now analyze this thing as a false breakout. This breakout we will see it as a false breakout. Now that this price is now close to our support level, once it gets to our support level, what do we expect it more to move again, which is to actually go bullish. So now as this price will drop to this our support level, once it hits our support level, then we would expect it to go bullish. As that JPY index is going bullish, then we will be seeing a drop on our New Zealand JPY. So that is to tell you that as soon as JPY is going bullish, then we will be getting a drop. The reason why we are still having a bullish move on our New Zealand dollar to our JPY is because this JPY index itself is going bearish. But sooner or later, the bullish move that will take us back to our resistance on our JPY index will soon start. So once the bullish move on JPY index starts, then we would start seeing a drop on our New Zealand JPY. So are we going to have that movement today? Probably not. I don't think so. But in case if you have it, then do not be surprised. But we would still want to see a little bit of a drop down here before a roll up will occur. So once that roll up occurs, then we should be seeing a drop on New Zealand JPY. So basically, New Zealand JPY, we are expecting to drop. Now let's see what this 4-hour time frame says, because we would want to take the trade on 4-hour time frame. So basically, to take this trade on 4-hour time frame, I'll still say, but probably you should go long, because 4-hour time frame is still on a bullish move. But let's see it this way. Let's see it this way. So on the 4-hour time frame, we are light some level here. You see this price reacted at this level, right? So let's see it this way. So let's see if this 4-hour time frame will come to this level again, then possibly we might get that drop to take out this level again. So if you want to take it out, if you want to take the trade, I'll say, wait, let's see this level. Let's see if the level will come roll up to a level of 83.230. We are currently at 82.864. So once the level comes to 83.230, then a drop should occur on our New Zealand dollar to JPY.